How to turn on game mode on Samsung Smart TV. First of all, get your Samsung TV remote control, then press the home button. Then you want to scroll along the menu to the right hand side until you either get to your PlayStation, Xbox or other console app, like so. Then click the center button, OK on that to pull up your console. Make sure your console of course is turned on first. Then press the home button again, then go to the left hand side this time until you get to settings. Then you want to press up on the settings menu like so. Then scroll along until you can see the part where it says game mode. Then it should probably now be off. Then you want to go ahead and tap the up button to be able to go to the settings, the game mode settings. Then it will be off, but if you just click on the off part, then you can just turn it on like so. Pretty simple. And remember, you need to have your console on first to be in game mode. You can't do that outside of the console. Very important that you do that. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.